Is it safe to delete Windows.old folder? Yes, it is safe to delete the Windows.old folder if you are confident that the upgrade or new installation to Windows was successful and you do not need to roll back to the previous version of Windows. If it's been fewer than 10 days since you upgraded to Windows, your previous version of Windows will be listed as a system file you can delete. You can delete it, but keep in mind that you'll be deleting your Windows.old folder, which contains files that give you the option to go back to your previous version of Windows. This means once deleted, this can't be undone. You can delete it using the disk cleanup utility, settings, or the command prompt. The most recommended methods are disk cleanup and the storage settings, as they are designed to handle this folder specifically and ensure all necessary files are removed safely. Here are the 3 methods to delete Windows.old folder. First, using command prompt. Note, this is advanced and provides more control but requires caution. Search for command prompt, right-click it, and select Run as administrator. Type clean mgr/sage set:1 and press enter. In the new window, check the box next to previous Windows installations, then click OK. Go back to the command prompt and type clean mgr/sage run:1 and press enter. After hitting enter, Windows.old folder will be deleted. Method 2, using settings. This is recommended. This method is user-friendly and allows you to remove various temporary files, including the Windows.old folder. Press the Windows key +I to open the Settings app. Or in the Start button, select Settings. Click on System, then select Storage. On the middle section under the Storage Management section, click on Temporary Files. In the list of temporary files, check the box next to previous Windows installation. Click the Remove Files button and confirm the action to delete the Windows.old folder. Method 3, using disk cleanup. This is also recommended. Disk cleanup is a classic utility for managing disk space and is very effective for this task. In the Start menu search box, type Cleanup, then click on Disk Cleanup. Choose your system drive, usually C, and click OK. Click the Cleanup System Files button to start a more thorough scan. From the list that appears, check the box next to previous Windows installation. Click OK and then delete files to confirm the permanent deletion of the Windows.old folder. Now the process is done, let's check our drive C. And the Windows.old folder is gone. You can also see here that free space increased from 2.42 GB to 9.03 GB. This covers how to delete Windows.old installation folder. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.